Hey everybody, this is Luke the Librarian, coming at you with a second instructional video here. The first one was about finding legal journal articles in Business Source Premier, one of our library databases. This second video is about finding similar resources as well as case law on the open internet, in this case Google and Google Scholar. So I'm actually going to start at Google Scholar. You can just search for that if you don't know the address. I'm going to go ahead and put in scholar.com here. Okay. Right away, they give you a choice to search for articles or case law. I'm going to try case law. And you might not know when you first start searching if you're looking for a federal court or an Arizona court case or some other state, of course. Pretty sure what I want is federal. And I was asked about this the other day. There's a Mexican American Studies program that was running in some high schools in Tucson, and there were court cases about that. So I've got my search in here. I'm looking at my results. They are all court cases, which is great. Plessy versus Ferguson is on there, which is hilarious. None of these look like what I want. I don't see Mexican American Studies showing up anywhere. So I'm going to do a quick search trick here, which is to put a quotation mark around my search. What I will do is, instead of looking for the word Mexican or the word American or the word studies anywhere in the page, it's going to look for those three words in a string in that order. So let's try that. Way fewer results. And this one, the school board of Tucson decided, blah, blah, blah. This is the thing I'm looking at. So if I click this, I'll get the actual court decision, opinion, here we go, the judge, and so on. All right. All right. Second thing I want to show you is how to search Google or Google Scholar for just a specific site. So if we go back here to the Google Scholar main page, I'm going to pick articles under the search bar. And now I can do, this is a Google search shortcut. I don't know what the exact term for this would be, but it's a way to look just at one site or one kind of site when you Google search. So I'm going to do site:heineonline.org and then some keywords, let's say Arizona. All right. And so if you notice here, all of the results are coming from Hein Online, which is a big legal database, but they also have some free things. So here you can see they're linking to these PDFs, which are freely available. So that's another way to get some things. You can also, as I was saying before, you can do site : and then see .edu sources. Now I'm going to search for corporate merger law. Those are my keywords. And I'm looking only with sites that have a domain ending in .edu. So all these are going to be university or college websites. This is another great way to find legal information, articles, blogs, etc. All right. Another one you can try is findlaw.com. A site I particularly care for, but it does have some free legal resources on there. So you could search within that site to find certain things. But I believe I have to get out of Google Scholar to do that, as it's not technically a scholarly or academic site. So let's do sitefindlaw.com, Arizona. There we go. Okay. So those are the main things that I wanted to show you today. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Remember the site, the word site, S-I-T-E, then a colon, and then no spaces, followed by the domain that you want to search. And it needs to be complete. You can't just put FindLaw or HeinOnline. It has to be HeinLaw.com, HeinOnline.org, and then your keywords. The other thing I wanted to show you is a library guide from the Harvard Law School Library for free legal research resources. There's tons of them. It's pretty exhaustive. It just kind of goes on and on and on. all kinds of things listed here, tons of links, a lot of nice government links, all in one place for you to start with. Okay. I'll make sure that this link gets into your Canvas shell somehow. And good luck with your research. Remember to reach out to me if you need any help. Let me show you the library site again. Our homepage. You go to quick links and then library. And all my contact info is right here. Drop me a voicemail, send me an email, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can, even on the weekends and sporadically over spring break. So good luck with your research, guys. Thanks for listening.